Now I will show you how to use two different Discord accounts at the same time on computer. First of all, on your computer browser, type discord.com and you will directly jump into official Discord website. Here, we will add our first account in Discord web. So click on open Discord in your browser. And all you have to need, sign into your account. And here, as you can see, I've already added my first account. And now to use your secondary Discord account, you have to download the Discord app. So all you have to need, again, type discord.com and open discord.com, and this time click on download for Windows to download the Discord installer. Once the Discord installer downloaded, install the Discord app, and now launch the Discord app on your computer. And go ahead and add your second Discord account in Discord app. Now you can use Discord two account at the same time. So this is my first account in my browser and this is my second account in my Discord app. Thanks for watching.